This video will give a high-level overview of Zoom for Cincinnati State students. The topics covered are activate your Zoom account, download the Zoom app, Zoom updates, and training and tutorials. Students will need to access Cincinnati State's Zoom landing page to activate their student account. To access this landing page, click the Student's Primary tab, and then click the CState Today sub-tab. Find the Quick Links box and click Zoom Meetings. Click Sign In. Enter your email address and password. Click Sign In. You've activated your Cincinnati State Zoom account. Download and install the Zoom app. In a browser, navigate to zoom.us/download. Click the download button. Begin the installation. Click Sign In. Click Sign In with SSO. Enter Cincinnati State-EDU. Be sure to use a dash or hyphen after Cincinnati State and before EDU. Do not enter cincinnattistate.edu. Click Continue. In the upper right corner of the Zoom app, click your initials or your image if you've uploaded one. Be sure your Cincinnati State email address is displayed. You should check for updates to Zoom at least once a month or anytime you're having problems. To access Zoom training and tutorials, click the Student's Primary tab. Click the CState Today sub-tab. Find the Quick Links box and click Zoom Training. Expand the Zoom panel to access the training and tutorials. If you used your Cincinnati State email address for a free or paid Zoom account, that account will be upgraded to your new Cincinnati State Zoom account. Your meetings and recordings will transfer to your new account.